let's say you have a question. It's something that's important to you. You design really carefully an experiment. The particulars of your experiment are going to generate a particular list of potential outcomes. As you know, the entire list of potential outcomes will be called the sample space. Once you have a sample space, you can create any event that you want, just so long as the event contains outcomes from the sample space. If you want to think about the sample space as like being a big bowl, the event is a little tray or a little bowl, and you're just only taking things that are from the big bowl and putting it onto the little bowl. Where do random variables come into play? Random variables simply give you the ability to assign a list of numbers to each event that you have specified. That's it. Now, you're going to be able to do a lot of great things with that list of numbers. Very frequently, you're going to define your events just so that they include one and only one outcome in them, so singular events. The main idea that I want you to hold on to here is that first you design an experiment. There are outcomes that come naturally from that experiment. All the outcomes form the sample space. You then decide what you want the events to be. And the random variable piece of the whole puzzle is that you simply assign a list of numbers to each of the events that you specified.